I'm about to tell you something really silly. For the last 5 minutes I've been wondering why my new speakers haven't been working. I suddenly realised why. Hello, these are my old two computer speakers built by Typhoon Sound System. Never really heard of them before. I've had them for over 10 years, maybe 15 or something. I did manage to mend them because the on-off button broke, but you can see it's got a bass and a volume control on it, but for some reason they decided to stop working. That's where you plug it into the computer, and then that's where you plug in for the sound. There's like two. I'll show you my new speakers now. Logitech. I'm not quite too sure if it rings a bell. I think I've heard of them. I'm not sure. This is a Z150, 6 watts. Well, the old speakers were 3 watts, so these are 3 watts, slightly better. There's clear stereo sound, got headphone jacks and easy controls. What's in the box? 2 speakers, power supply, a user document, 2-year manufacturer's guarantee. Let's get it open and see what they look like. According to the nice lady in the shop, once I've opened this I can't return it, only if they're faulty. Got these in the Currys and Chesterfield. Seal's now broken, so I can't turn them. I don't like them. So I can plug them into speaker, to my computer and other devices. So you can plug headphones into them. That's for the power. All nice, new and shiny. So there's a cable going from one speaker to another. I suppose that's where you've got a jack to plug into the computer. Separate cable. Like on the older speakers you had to plug it straight into the computer. So I suppose I've got to find an extra socket. I think I've got an extra socket, I hope, somewhere. Seems to have a hole in the bottom. It's like a little mouth there. Little face, should I say. That's his nose, 2 eyes. So I can plug in a headphone there, maybe another speaker there, maybe perhaps. And have a quick look at the instructions. This is like a user guide. Like in a million languages, and then this is got this as well. This is like a million languages as well. Important safety, compliance and warranty information. Yeah, right. That's the instructions basically. I mean, it's just pretty simple really. Just plug into the computer, plug into the mains, and there you go. And that's it. Didn't really tell you. I'm not 100% sure, but that's obviously for plugging in headphones. I'm not quite too sure what that is. It would be nice. I'm just guessing maybe another speaker, maybe perhaps got like a little note symbol above that, and obviously that's the on-off switch there. So let's get this connected. A bit of a mess behind here where my computer is, where my cables are. I've just had to label all my plugs. I didn't know what plug was what. Like that's for my PC, that's for my shredder, that's for my monitor, no, Epson printer, that's for my monitor, that plug there, CCTV monitor, a BT hub internet thing. So what I've got to do is, right, well, I've decided I've got this extension here, so I'm going to unplug my 2 monitors here, plug this thing here, unplug this, plug that one in there, unplug this one. Now I've got a spare one of these, but that spare plug will be for my speaker. I'm plugging my speaker, excuse the messy desk, but I've got one speaker there, the other speaker up there, and there's no little red light coming on. I've got to go behind here. This is the wire. I've got to plug it in. I think I've got to pull my sofa out here, which I'm sitting on now, just so I can pull this out. I can't quite get behind there and see what I'm doing, so that's going to be a whole load of fun. So I'll be back in a minute. So I've just pulled my sofa out of the way, and I can pull this out of the way. Sort of wires. Now I've got to try and find where the sound goes. Now I've just gone and lost a jack. Is that it here? I think it's just there, but that silver thing is there. I think that's it, just there. Right, let's test this. There's no little red light telling me that this is on or off. Let's just find some sound. If this works. It's only coming from the computer speaker. Let's have another look at this. I'm about to tell you something really silly. For the last 5 minutes I've been wondering why my new speakers haven't been working. I suddenly realised why. I plugged in the socket, but I've actually forgot to plug in the actual wire to the back of the speakers, so I'm just going to do that right now. Rookie mistake. The reason why they're not working because they've got no power, because I've got to plug this into the back of the speaker. I'm just going to do that right now. Right, I've plugged it in, and look, You see that little green light? And now I know it definitely is working. Now I know it's got power. Let's try this again. Oh, that's better. But only one speaker. Right, I finally sorted it. I've got one of these. It's a double stereo jack. That goes back on the computer. The sound from the monitor lead goes into that one, and the cable goes from the speakers going to that one. I don't know how well you can see this. Basically, that you can see that cable. That's that two-way splitter just there, and that's the cable there, and the black cable there, top one is for the monitor, the green one, that one, that's for the monitor, and that one there is for the new speakers, and that's the jack just there. Anyway, I think that's that jack just there. That's the computer monitor on its own. Anyway, you get the idea now, so it's just a little bit working out and just fiddling about, trying to work out what's what. Now I've got to put my all this mess back together, or clear it out the way, so I'm putting my sofa back down again and clear all that little mess up. So anyway, you get the idea. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.